A lot of times when you hear about killing of pets, a lot of times it's about, well, it's just a dog, what's it worth? It's not just a dog when the police do it. It's a violation of your Fourth Amendment.
And that was Dan Kolde, the attorney for Nicholas Hunter. He is Teddy's dog dad. He's filed a $1 million federal lawsuit against Sturgeon, Missouri police officer Myron Woodson, as well as the city of Sturgeon, after Woodson shot and killed Teddy, the 13-pound blind and deaf dog. So many people, though, are asking, what does this have to do with the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution? A lot. And apparently a lot of people, including lawyers and myself, didn't even know about it. So here's some of the research. First, pets are considered property. Yeah, I know it sounds heartless to many of us, but it is the law. So if an officer kills a dog in the line of duty, they are seizing or taking away that person's property. So looking at the Fourth Amendment, dogs are a special kind of property, and officers can't just unreasonably kill them.
This goes to the very core of our Fourth Amendment and our basic liberties, which is the government can't come in and take our stuff. It doesn't matter what the stuff is. Government can't come take it, unreasonably take it. And so they have to either get a warrant and convince a judge that what they want to do is reasonable by probable cause, or they have to show some sort of emergency. Those are the choices. And neither of those apply here.
So if the officer claims they're in fear of a dog, they can always claim self-defense.
If the dog or the animal poses an active threat of immediate harm, serious harm to the officer, then he is allowed to defend himself. It's a form of self-defense, basically.
There was no threat, was there?
That's what we've alleged in our pleadings.
And reportedly, there have been dozens of similar cases during the last few decades. And take a look at just some of them. Some are settled, others went to a grand jury. The results ranging from $100,000 to $1.8 million, although there is no amount of money for some that will bring their four-legged family back. Now, at one point, Richard Rosenthal, the general counsel for the Lexus Project, had said, the only way it's going to be reformed is if more and more people get lawyers to litigate. So why is all this happening? Well, poor training on use of deadly force for officers, less than objective internal reviews, and from the data, dog parents not filing a lawsuit. And take a look at this. According to PetAdvisor.com, more than 4,100 police officers have been killed on the line of duty within the last 50 years or so, most of them by gunfire. 2 died from yellow jacket or bee stings, 1 died from a cow, and no officers have been killed by a dog. At least that's according to research from the last few years.
The one thing that I always hope that comes out of these cases is that the police departments start training their guys on how to properly interact with dogs and respond to these calls. If they think they're going to get away with it, there's no punishment, then the department has really no incentive to change.
And that's not it. 25 to 30 dogs a day are killed by police. So in my next video, how another animal advocate lawyer is calling this an epidemic.